The Minister of Sports, Culture and Gender Affairs says the more than 80% increase in the budget of the Gender Affairs portfolio could significantly help women at state shelters to escape abuse. Olivia Grange gave an update on the assistance being provided to the victims during her presentation to the Standing Finance Committee of Parliament.
In the shelters, we do not have a time limit. However, it depends on the case. And what we do, we help that person to, sometimes you have a whole family, the mother and 3 children. We have had 2 babies born in the national shelter since the shelter was opened. And what we do, we assist them to get their lives back on track. So counseling, training, we get to make sure that the children's education continue, and we take them to a point where we feel that they can now go on their own. And we will assist in identifying a space where it can be rented for them to live